Hello everybody and welcome to this e-filing tutorial. I'm going to jump right in and show you how to do your 2025 tax return. You will have to log into e-filing and then click on request the 2025 return. I've already requested 2025 and so it will take you to this page. When you're here, you're going to go straight to refresh data. You're going to tick the top 5 boxes and then you're going to skip the bottom 3 unless you are involved in farming operations. I don't know why partnership details is there. Partnership details don't pre-populate. Going to click OK. And now the return is saved. In this case, if you are just employed, you have medical and you have RA and you don't have any other income or any other deductions like section 18A, then your return is almost done. Then the next step is just to go into the tax return and essentially you want to clear out all the boxes that's red and make sure that everything says no. And this is the basics of the basic tax return with just RP5, medical aid and RA. So when it's all done and you've checked that all the red boxes are completed, then you can actually go and click OK or calculate. And if a calculation seems correct to you, you can then go back into the return and click on Submit Return to SARS. So that is the basic tax return. But let's assume you have extra information, okay? Then you have to go through each question and make sure that that is the section that you want to complete. So say, for example, you have additional RP5s that wasn't there. Let's say, for example, you had foreign income, right? All these section 1010 codes. Let's say you had rental property. You have to tick yes here and select how many rental properties you've had. If you were a partner in a business, you must complete this. So essentially you are ticking yes to, if it's true, you tick yes. And so let's say I'm going to tick this box. This box on other income, business, etc. allows you to complete things like foreign income, capital gains, local farming, etc., etc. Okay, if you don't have those things or a complex return, you can untick it. But as you can see, let's say for example I've got a rental property and I tick yes there and I'm going to say I've got one rental property. Then what's going to happen in the return is it will show in the return this is where you completed. So for every additional thing you have outside of RP5, medical aid and RA, you have to create the new sections in the tax return and then complete it yourself. Those details will not pre-populate. So that's why it's important, if you have those extra details, it's actually better to use a tax practitioner or try and do the return yourself, but send the calculation or before you submit it, let an accounting colleague check the return for you, or a tax person that you are familiar with, that they can check it for you and then submit the return, and then you can submit the return or you can ask somebody to submit the return on your behalf, because the extra sections is what makes doing your own tax return very complicated. The thing I like to say is, if you've got a BMW and you don't know how to fix cars, why would you try to fix your own car? And the same thing is going to apply with tax returns. Okay, I hope that was useful. And yeah, that's the 2025 tax return tutorial. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.